Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about hypothesis testing for 1 and 2 population means using technology, Z-test, and the t-test application. This is quarter 4 about data and probability, DP, for grade 11, general mathematics. Again, this is quarter 4, data and probability, lesson Roman numeral number 10, hypothesis testing for 1 and 2 population means using technology, the Z-test and the t-test applications. The intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to A. Explain the purpose of hypothesis testing for 1 and 2 population means. Differentiate between Z-test and t-test and identify when each one is appropriate. Formulate null and alternative hypotheses for population mean problems. Apply statistical tools, the Z-test, t-test variations using technology like calculators, Excel, SPSS, R, or Python. Interpret the results of hypothesis tests and draw valid conclusions in real-world contexts. Hypothesis testing for population means. Hypothesis testing is a statistical procedure used to make decisions about population parameters based on sample data. For means, the focus is on whether a sample mean significantly differs from a hypothesized value or whether two population means differ. The general steps are: state the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Choose the significance level alpha, which is commonly 0.05. Select the appropriate test statistic based on sample size and knowledge of population variance. Use technology to compute and test statistic and p-value. Compare p-value with alpha to make a decision: reject or fail to reject HO. Interpret the result in the context of the problem. Z-test. Test for known standard deviation. Use when population standard deviation is known and the sample size is large and is greater than or equal to 30. And the test statistic formula, Z is equal to X bar minus mean mu over sigma over a square root of n. Example: testing whether the average battery life differs from 10 when sigma is known. Technology tools like Excel. So in our cell, you write in there equal z.test. And then in R, we have say.test parentheses or calculators. Z-test for unknown standard deviation. Use when sigma is unknown but sample size is larger and is greater than 30. In practice, the sample standard deviation S replaces sigma and the test still approximates a Z-test. Test statistic formula. Say is equal to X bar minus mean O over S over square root of n. Often considered equivalent to a t-test with larger sample sizes. One simple t-test. Use when population standard deviation is unknown and sample size is small. N is less than 30. So test statistic formula. T is equal to X bar minus mean minus mu O over S over square root of n. Example: testing whether the mean exam score in a class differs from 75. Technology tools using Excel. In the cell, write there equal t.test, SPSS, and then in R, use t.test, open and close parentheses. In Python, use scipy.stats.ttest underscore 1 samp. independent samples t-test, used when comparing the means of two independent groups. So t-test formula, t is equal to x bar x bar 1 minus x bar 2, the square root of sp squared times 1 over n1 plus 1 over n2, where sp squared is the pooled variance. Assumptions: independent samples, approximately normally distributed populations, equal or unequal variances. We have the Welch t-test handles unequal variances. Example, comparing mean scores of male versus female students in an exam. Paired sample t-tests, used when comparing two related samples before and after matched pairs. Test statistic formula, T is equal to D bar over SD over square root of N, where D bar is the mean difference, SD is the standard deviation of differences. Example, measuring blood pressure of patients before and after treatment. Technology tools, Excel equal t.test with paired option, SPSS, or t.test and then close open parenthesis paired equals true, close parenthesis. And in Python, we have scipy that stats.t-test underscore rel. Using technology in hypothesis testing. Technology simplifies calculations by automatically computing test statistics and p-values, handling large data sets with accuracy, allowing learners to focus on interpretation rather than the manual computation. Examples in Excel equal t.test open parenthesis range 1, range 2, tails type close in parentheses. Using SPSS, analyze, then compare the means, then independent samples or paired samples t-test. Using R technology, t.test open and close parentheses or z.test open and close parentheses. And then using Python, scipy, and then we have scipy.stats.t-test underscore indiv and scipy.stats.t-test underscore rel. We will have the next part of this quarter 4 data and probability lesson 10.